Hello YouTube. This is my latest toy I have to play with. I just got it yesterday. This is a 1980 Yamaha CT1 is what it says over here on the gas tank. CT1 175. It's got a badge over here. Right there. And we're gonna get you a cold start. Windy like no other today. As you can see, that tree's blowing and the tarp over there. I'm gonna hand the camera off to Aaron so I can kick this thing. Wow, second kick and it started. Take a walk around this thing. See if the headlight works. Alright. I'm sure you guys will be seeing a lot more of this later.